Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for Cypherium Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your Cypherium Wallet app on your mobile device. Soon after you open it up, you will be able to see this interface. If you don't have a wallet yet for Cypherium, you can go ahead and create one. To do so, first of all, start off by typing in your wallet's name you would like to choose, and then once you've done with it, go to the next field and create a password for your wallet. Once you are done creating a password, repeat the password on the next field and finally tap next. Now, you will need to back up your mnemonic phrases. Write down your mnemonic phrases from left to right on a piece of paper and save a copy offline. Don't share your unique phrases with anyone. Once anyone gets hold of your mnemonic phrases, you will not be able to recover your funds if it is stolen, or if you lose your mnemonic phrases, you won't be able to access your wallet again. Once you are done backing up your mnemonic phrases, tap next and then verify your mnemonic phrases by entering the phrases in the correct order. After doing so, tap on verify at the bottom and you will be able to sign up and create a new Cypherium wallet. So that's how easy it is. Always make sure to keep your backup phrases or your mnemonic phrases safe if you don't want to lose your wallet or lose your funds. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.